Finally, today we're going to dye my hair pink. Finally, because I've been delaying this for so many weeks. Every time I would wait for my hair to get dirty. Why? Because as we know, greasy hair is the best to put the dye on. It would get late, I would have something important in the morning to get up for, so I would just wash my hair and go to bed. And as you can see, the toner has washed out completely. My hair now looks like super yellow noodles. And yes, this color is not complementing my skin. I am a very cool toned, so if you're a cool tone, please always aim for a cool hair color. My natural hair is ash brown, dark blonde in the summer because of the sun. Nature already knows what hair color to give to you, so make sure you work from that. So today is the day, and here is my hair colors. I know, everyone is shouting, box dye, not again. Well, what can I do? They're just so convenient. It has the instructions inside, and you don't need to come up with formulas or with the proportions. Also, we're totally experimenting with this, so maybe if I really adore the end result, then for my next hair dye, I would go for professional. To bleach my hair, I used Schwarzkopf products as well. And because I still do have my hair on my head, I totally bought this one. So branding is really working on me. Anyway, let's get into the dyeing, and I can't wait to see what happens. I'm going to use this container. Because of the nozzle, it's going to be easy to apply to the roots. After I apply to the roots, or well, maybe this part of my hair, then I'm just going to wait for about 20 minutes because the ends of my hair were bleached too many times and they're so porous that they would grab on the dye, grab on the any moisture you give them, so they would develop quicker. For this reason, I'm just going to use this with a nozzle, apply to the roots, wait for about 20 minutes, and then apply to the rest of my hair. Actually, what does it say in the directions? Okay, actually, they like my plan. Ta-da! I know, it's not pink, it's not lilac, but do I hate it? No, I absolutely love it. I think what happened is it worked as an amazing toner on my yellow hair. And it did cross out all the yellow pigments and lift it to a cooler shade. I'm very happy with the result. In some parts of my hair, you can see some lilac going on. I don't know what was the logic, but blended together, you can't see that. Overall, I'm very happy with the shade it turned out. No, it's not what I was aiming for, but I think it's not as bad. Because when I first bleached my hair, this was the color I was aiming for. And the toner that I used washed out literally in 2 washes. I'm hoping this one's gonna stay for at least a few weeks. If not, then I'll see what else I can do. But overall, I'm very happy with it. What I'm not happy about is the roots, but again, nothing to complain about the Pox dye. I think the roots are a bit rusty and orangey because of my hair was brown. And fair enough, it is very light, but fair enough that it's a bit rusty and orangey. I know exactly how to fix that. I will try to use purple shampoo, or I'll try to use a blue shampoo, which is better with orange pigments. If not, I can always bleach just the roots to match to the rest of my hair. I was thinking to dye my hair back to brown to match my natural color, but now I like this so much, so I think I'll keep it for another month or so, and I'll see what else comes to my cuckoo mind. Anyway, I hope that it was entertaining for you to watch this video, and I'll see you on my next one.